Hi, this is Richard over at FoxAirandHeat.com. We got another one of our lifetime replacement warranty Amanas. It's got the good hail guards on it. We've got a good concrete pad underneath it there. New electrical disconnect. We did a chemical flush of his lines because we went from R22 to 410A. Super important to do that and to get the lines really clean. We then nitrogen pressure check it, hold it at like 300 something pounds, make sure we don't have a leak. And then we have a Micron vacuum gauge. So this is a really good vacuum pump that we change the oil in all the time. The reason that's super important is if you don't pull a really good vacuum, you will actually have moisture in your lines, and then it will rust from the inside out, and it takes out the windings in the compressor. The moisture in there creates condensables. It will freeze in the lines and cause stuff not to cool as well. You'll lose capacity. It will just shorten the life of your system. So that's how you want it. They say you want it down to 500 or 600 microns. That's down to 230 microns. We got special hoses to do that. It just makes it a lot better. So this is Richard over at FoxAirandHeat.com. Let us know if we can help you. Glad to set you up with one of these systems, and if the compressor ever dies on this, they're going to give us a brand new unit. So you're going to get all new condenser fans, coils, electronics, all that. So if the compressor ever dies, so really good investment. They do this on the like 16 SEER or 15.5 SEER and up, depending on if it's a heat pump or the straight cool version. So it's Richard with FoxAirandHeat.com. Thanks for watching. Let us know if we can help you. We promise to do it the right way and get you the most for your money. Thanks for watching.